सिखाते हैं ना। Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. To respected chairman, manager, principal, teachers and all the gathered people. First of all thanks to Allah the Almighty, the one who has created the whole universe and allowed me to achieve this success. I'm thankful to my parents, my beloved teachers and my respected school. To all the gathered people, your du'as are one of the most important things in my journey. Without your du'as and support, I would not have achieved this success. So I request you all to always make du'as for me and remember me in your prayer. Please pray for my future and my akhirah. To my school, it is one of the most cherished place of mine. It has taught me many lessons and guided me. The thing that distinguishes it from other schools is that we don't get only worldly knowledge but Islamic knowledge too, for which I am grateful to this school. And this is a reason why my parents have enrolled me in this school. My juniors, I want to say one thing to you all is that the most important thing for you right now is that be as far away as from social media as you can. I know we must use mobile sincerely. It's not easy to disconnect, but set your boundaries and limits on its usage. Be consistent, disciplined with your studies. And the most important, be grateful to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala in every possible way you can. For the food you eat, the way you look and the day you live. And in the end, namaz and Quran should be your top priority. More than anything, whether it is studies or any related to your family. Let namaz and Quran be the first priority of yours. And in the end, I would just like to say, मुझे आप लोग की दुआओं की बहुत ज़रूरत है. आप लोग हमेशा मेरे लिए दुआ करें, मेरी आखिरत के लिए, मेरे फ्यूचर के लिए. May Allah guide us all, protect us all from all kind of sins, be pleased with us and allow us to do all type of good deeds. And may Allah allow us to succeed in the hereafter, because for us it is the real success. Jazakallahu khair.